Hey everyone, this is Bilal and today I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to make money on Amazon without selling anything. All these methods are offered by Amazon itself and are completely legitimate. If you want to make some good side income from Amazon without selling anything, then do watch this video till the end. So let's begin with Merch by Amazon. This is a print-on-demand service from Amazon that allows you to design and sell merchandise without getting involved in keeping inventory. You only need to upload the design on a t-shirt or any available merch and earn a commission on every sale. You only need to come up with a graphic design for the merch, then upload that design on a t-shirt provided by Amazon, then list the image on Merch by Amazon and earn commission on each sale. Well, the best part about this service is that you do not need to be a professional graphic designer. There are multiple online designing platforms and my favorite is Canva, where anyone can make a design to be printed on a t-shirt. Or else you can just go to Pinterest and take any design that you like to print, but make sure the design does not contain any watermark. To join this platform, just sign up to merch.amazon.com and start earning instantly. Number 2. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is an Amazon's affiliate program. It is a great program to earn massive revenues. However, in 2020, Amazon cut down commissions for some of its major categories. Nonetheless, many categories are still available on which you can earn up to 10% referral commission. If you run a blog or have a website or have any large social media community, you can earn from Amazon affiliate program very easily. If you do not have any platform of your own, you can still promote these products on social forums such as Quora or Reddit. Just upload the links of Amazon products and earn a referral commission of up to 10% on any purchase. The wide variety of offerings on Amazon will definitely give you some niche that you can easily promote on any platform. Number 3. Kindle Direct Publishing. If you are a writer or you love to write, then you can make money on Amazon without selling any physical goods. Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to make money with Amazon by publishing your own books. You do not have to be a professional sci-fi writer or you do not have to write any murder mystery novels. If you know about a particular topic in which you are good at, you can write an ebook guide on it. Just write a book and publish it on Kindle Direct Publishing. It only takes 5 minutes in publishing and within a day or two, it will be listed on Kindle stores. You can earn up to 70% royalties on the sales of your book. Before publishing the book, you have to make sure that it completes all the requirements set by Amazon. I have mentioned the requirement in the description below. Do check it out. Number 4. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon made the Mechanical Turk platform to outsource some of their jobs which can be performed virtually. Amazon started this platform to cut down the time-consuming projects into micro tasks to complete it faster. There are multiple tasks you can perform such as data validation, content research, content moderation, etc. To join Mechanical Turk, just go to their page and click on the Create a Workers account and follow some easy procedure and start selecting tasks as per your convenience. The best thing about this Mechanical Turk platform is the flexibility. You can work at any time you want and take the task as per your preference. Number 5. Amazon Virtual Location. Amazon has a program that is work from home with Amazon. Amazon offers a lot of opening to work from home, especially for the hiring of customer service representative and technical support staff. They also offer home-based jobs that include full-time jobs, part-time jobs, and seasonal jobs. If you possess any talent that can come handy, then you can have a chance to become an associate with the world's biggest e-commerce giant. So there were some of the easiest ways to make money from Amazon without leaving your house. So if you find this video helpful, then do subscribe our channel and tell us in the comments below what do you want to learn from our next video. Till then, goodbye.